In today's market, you're not just selling a house, you're selling a first impression and a lifestyle. With more homes on the market and buyers scrolling through hundreds of listings, your property has only seconds to grab the attention of the buying public. And that means presentation is everything. High quality photos, clean, sleek spaces, great lighting, and thoughtful staging can instantly set your home apart from other homes that are going to be on the market. Think of it as online dating. The profile picture makes someone click, but the details makes them stay, right? So if your home doesn't look its best from day one, you create that I need this feeling that the buyers get as soon as they walk through the door. And the more people who walk in, the better your chances of multiple offers and a stronger sales price. So skipping the prep work may save you a little bit of time up front, but it'll cost you thousands at the closing table. So if you want to do this right and strategically to put more money in your pocket, a more effective and more efficient sale, DM me for a preparation plan that makes your home the one that buyers can't scroll past.